Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fabra Felia. Today, I will present my analysis of cultural difference between Eastern and Western society. Okay, social scientists acknowledge that cultural and communication have a reciprocal relationship, like two sides of the same coin. Culture is part of communication behavior, and in turn, communication also helps determine, maintain, develop, and pass on culture. The next, culture is communication, and communication is culture. Different cultures have different value systems and therefore determine different life goals. And the way we communicate depends heavily on our culture, our language, rules, and norms. However, it is undeniable that we often experience miscommunication when we interact with others. Okay, the next, the understanding of the concept of culture. Culture refers to shared belief, values, customs, and behavior of a group of people. Okay, there is tree in the number one, belief and values. What people think is right or important. And the next, number two, custom and tradition, how people behave in daily life. Okay, and number three, how people express meaning verbally and non-verbally. Okay, what is cross-cultural understanding? Okay, in number one, cross-cultural understanding means recognizing and respecting difference between culture. So next, it helps people avoid misunderstandings and improves communication in people. Okay, for the number three, especially important for English department students to interact with diverse cultures. Okay, so next there are the cultural difference focus. In Eastern culture, for the example, collectivist, indirect communication, respect for hierarchy. So the next, there are the Western culture. So for the example, individualist, direct communication, equally emphasize. Okay, in conclusion, culture influences how we think, act, and communicate. Cross-cultural understanding encourages tolerance, empathy, and effective communication. So the next, for the last, as English students, we must learn to respect and adapt to cultural differences in global communication. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I have the reflection for this project of cross-cultural understanding. So, okay, guys, for me, thank you very much and for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.